Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to access your files on your screen, on your home screen on iPhone. First of all, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now to access your files, important files from this files folder, you will need to hold onto your home screen like this, and when you will see that you can edit your home screen. At the top left corner, you can see a plus sign, so click on that. And after this, so we're just going to search for files. And as you can see, here it is. You're just going to click on that. And now you can choose a visit. So quickly access your files that you recently opened. So you can choose this one or this one. And after this, you're gonna click add widget, and that's basically it. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.